Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to blur faces or objects in Canva using the built-in blur tool. Whether you're creating a thumbnail, protecting someone's privacy in a photo, or just going for an artistic effect, you'll know exactly how to do it by the end of this tutorial, even if you've never tried it before. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, just take a minute to sign up. It's free and super user-friendly. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, look for the Create a Design button. Give that a click. Now, for this project, we want a specific canvas size so you have enough room to work with your image and really see your edits. So choose Custom Size and set the width to 100 pixels and the height to 50 pixels. This makes a nice, manageable workspace for blurring something small like a face or an object. Once you've put in the numbers, hit Create New Design. Canva will load up a blank canvas for you and you're ready for the next step. Take a look over on the left-hand side and find the Elements tab. Click on that and you'll see a search bar at the top. Here, where you'll want to search for the image you want to use. Now you can use one of Canva's free stock photos if you're just practicing, or you can upload your own image if you're blurring something specific, like a friend's face in a group photo, or maybe a license plate or phone number you want to keep private. Once you have your image in front of you, click on it to add it to your canvas. Next up, and this is where the magic starts, click directly on the image to select it. This will cause a menu to appear above your image, and you'll want to find the Edit Image button. Go ahead and click that. Here you'll see a whole bunch of different editing options, crop, adjust, and so on, but what we're interested in is the blur feature. Sometimes you might need to scroll a little to find it, but it'll usually be near the top in the list of tools. Click on Blur, and Canva will pull up a special blur effect that you can use almost like a paintbrush. Now with the blur tool selected, you're going to literally paint over the area you want to blur. So if you're trying to hide someone's face, just brush carefully over that area until you're happy with how blurry it looks. You can drag your mouse or your finger if you're on a tablet directly over the spot. Don't worry if it looks a little too fuzzy at first. You can always adjust the intensity of the blur or undo your last stroke. It's totally normal if you need a few tries to get it just right, especially with smaller details. And that's it. Once you've painted over the face or object you want blurred, you're all done. Canva saves your progress automatically so you won't lose any of your hard work. Export or download your finished image, and it's ready to share, safe and secure. I hope this walkthrough made the blur tool in Canva a lot less intimidating and gave you a new skill you can use in your next project. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or if there's another Canva effect you want to learn about, drop a comment down below. I check every single one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.